Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Tae-li and Kim Yoo-jung fortune harmony analysis. Tae-li, who is getting better at acting, and Kim Yoo-jung, who is always pretty. Overseas YouTube subscribers have applied for their fortune harmony. They had opposite energy flows. However, there was a good factor in the first. Let's analyze it together. Tae-li is a big rock in fortune. Big rocks are strong and rich in emotion. Kim Yoo-jung is a candle. Candles are warm-hearted and delicate. Big rocks like the heat of candles. Candles can melt rocks to make jewelry. So, candles like rocks because candles have something to do. Stage 1 is a good meeting. And they all have letters that mean popularity and pretty faces. It's a good fortune. And there is a combination of characters that fit the action or historical drama. They are a good fortune structure when they meet in historical dramas. Tae-li is a structure in which the energy of fortune is gathered toward itself. This structure has a view of the world centered on itself. And he has a lot of affection because he has a union in his fortune. Kim Yoo-jung's energy flows out of her, and there are two conflicts, so she is very sensitive and delicate. Tae-li has the energy of honor and energy input, but there are no letters corresponding to woman. Although Kim Yoo-jung is in conflict, there is a letter that corresponds to a man. It's a lot of wealth in fortune. Their fortunes are opposite in the direction of energy, but the first stage was a good meeting. It's a good structure to meet in a drama as an actor. But I will give them 83% for their fortune harmony. I hope you succeed in everything you do in the future and be happy. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.